Hey Dr. McNews class, it's your ULA Chloe, and I'm going to be doing your study session video over Chapter 11, Sexual Orientation. So I went ahead and put my email right here and the topic just so you can write it down and stay on track. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. I'd be happy to respond with any of the questions you have. So what is sexual orientation? This is going to be the pattern of a person's sexual attractions, and this can be someone that's attracted to their own sex, members of another sex, or both sexes. But the most important thing that we want to recognize is that sexual orientation exists on a continuum. The continuum model that we're looking at is the Kinsey scale of sexuality, and you can see on one end is exclusively heterosexual, while on the other end was exclusively lesbian or gay, and in the middle is equally heterosexual and homosexual, or what we usually refer to as bisexual. The point of this model is to show that while some people may identify as exclusively attracted to a certain sex, other people may fall somewhere in between, and that's okay too. A question you might have is, does one's sexual behavior have to match their sexual orientation? And the answer is no. So what we know is that behavior does not always coincide with sexual orientation. So for example, people can engage in same-sex sexual behavior and not identify as gay, lesbian, or bisexual, while similarly, people can engage in opposite-sex sexual behavior and not identify as heterosexual. Another question you might have is, what causes sexual orientation? Well, we have evidence of genetic influence, differences in brain structure, and hormonal influences, but overall, we still don't have a single factor that can predict or explain sexual orientation for all cases. Alright, so we're just going to move into a couple questions that could potentially be on your study session quiz, just to test your knowledge and make sure that you're understanding the concepts from this chapter. The first question asks, which of the following statements is not accurate? So go ahead and pause this video, take a look at the answer choices, and push play when you're ready. And the answer is A, sexual orientation is a description of how people behave sexually towards the same sex or opposite sex. So this statement is not accurate out of all of these answer choices. Question number 2 asks, gender identity is blank while sexual orientation is blank. So go ahead and pause. And the answer is going to be C, our self-identification as male or female, a blend of both, or neither. And then the second blank is the pattern of a person's sexual attractions. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope this was a great review, or you learned something new in the process of watching this video. Like I said, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me, and I'd be happy to respond to you guys. Hope you all are staying safe and finish the semester strong.